Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the VW Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this Volkswagen Transporter long wheelbase Sportline Kombi. The vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 204 PS. Power is delivered through a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the lovely metallic paint colour Ravenna blue. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. There's also an enhanced front bumper complete with a red contrast stripe across the radiator grille, as well as some high gloss black grills on the lower portion of the front bumper. A set of front parking sensors along with some front fog lamps with a cornering function can also be found. Down below, the vehicle sits on a set of 18-inch Sportline alloy wheels which come finished in a gloss black colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a rear roof spoiler on the tailgate. Across the tailgate it comes with some Transporter and Sportline badging. Helping you park and manoeuvre is a rear view reversing camera located just above the rear number plate, as well as a set of rear parking sensors. The van also features an ABT rear skirt. Along with this there is also a full quad ABT exhaust system in chrome. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space of the vehicle, a large amount of storage space thanks to the long wheelbase format, as well as having a rubber floor covering and some lashing points. The ceiling is lined with LED interior spotlights as well as a halo. Taking a look into the rear passenger area, we'll find a 3-seater passenger bench in a combination of Nappa leather and Alcantara with some red contrast stitching. A step on the side allows easy access for the rear passengers. Up front in the cab we'll find some more of the similar seating, with some key differences being the embossed Sportline badging across the seats along with having 2 armrests each. Throughout the rest of the cab we'll find some Sportline floor mats, and in the centre of the dash in the forms of entertainment we'll find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system comes with inbuilt navigation as well as allow you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle. Just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the van. Included is 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel as well as a digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter long wheelbase Sportline Kombi. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.